BuyMote E-Shopping Application is one of the online shopping app now available on Play Store and App Store. Click below link and install the application and make use of it for all of your grocery and general purchasing.
Hi friends, how are you? I hope you all doing good. I am happy to see you all again in this video. Welcome back to our channel B-Neg. What are we going to watch today is, if you are here, you know trading is not just about wins. It's about lessons we learn from our losses. And last week, I learned a big one. Today I am going to share how a wrong level of interest, which is LIS selection, led to one of my worst trades recently, and more importantly, what I learned from it. Before going into the video, those of you who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. Okay, let's go into the video. Before we dive in, let me quickly explain what LIS or line in the sand or level of interest is for those new here. LIS is essentially a price level where you anticipate significant trading activity. It could be a strong resistance, a major support level, or even a psychological number. Now, last week I was tracking S&P 500 features that looked super promising on the charts. I spent hours analyzing its historical patterns and identifying my level of interest. I was sure this would bounce off my chosen list and take off. Spoiler alert, it didn't. Instead, it tanked. And so did my position. Hmm. Let me show you exactly where things went wrong. Here is my contextual hypothesis of November 27th trade. If the price approaches the list, which is CB11 poke, and buyers to control again, then possible to imbalance up to touch the new ATH, which is mentioned as green color. If the price approaches the list, which is CB11 poke, and seller to controls the market, then possible to balance at CB11. So here my list was CB11 poke, which is the middle red line here at this level based on the ETH session. What I failed to account for was the list was laid on the poke of CBA11 because it is a fair value as per the action market theory. It's supposed to be a CBA-H or CBA level, which I realized later in the session. Not only that, the lack of confirmation. There was no clear volume signals that validated my entry, yet I jumped in anyway. This is where my emotions took over. One thing I have learned in trading is that even the best technical tools are useless if you don't wait for proper confirmation. The market doesn't care about your predictions, it cares about momentum and behavior. I ignored the signs that this trade was going south, and well, you can guess the rest. So, here's the damage. I entered too early, didn't wait for proper confirmation about the buyer's entry. Classic emotional trading mistakes. The result, a significant loss, $325, that would have been avoided. But every loss is a chance to learn. So, here are my three key takeaways from this experience. 1. Always validate your list in line with action market theory and don't make CBA focus on this. 2. Don't trade purely on anticipation, wait for confirmation. 3. Stick to your risk management plan. Don't let emotions drive your decisions. If this resonates with you, remember, trading is a journey. Losses are inevitable, but what defines us as a traders is how we bounce back and improve. So, let's keep learning together. Thanks for watching. If you ever made a similar mistake or learned a hard trading lesson, share it in the comments below. I would love to hear your story.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more topics and videos. See you soon.